Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to start a new topic which is finding dominant color using histogram and Kmeans. In this video we are going to learn what is Kmeans, what is histogram, like we will do some basics of Kmeans, like just understand what is Kmeans. We will not go in depth as this is focused on OpenCV, not on the machine learning. So we will also learn what is dominant color and how to find them and why we have to find these. At last, we will implement it using the code and end our video. So without wasting much time, let's get this part started. So first of all, we have to understand what is finding dominant color. So finding the dominant color means we have to literally find the dominant color in the image. Let's say if we consider this image here, we can see that this type of pink is the most dominant in the image. But if we say that we are going through this whole PPT page, then this purple or is like pinkish purple shade lavender, I think, yeah. So this lavender shade is most dominant in this PPT page. So dominant color is nothing more but only the color which is most dominant in the image. So here it's also mentioned that finding a dominant color means identifying the most common color in an image. Okay, now you will say that it's so basic thing. Why we need to do this? Okay, so why is it important? So it helps designer to choose color platelets of websites, clothes, or logos. So, brand often extract key color from inspiration images, and it's like first of all we will look at the websites or other like brands or other things like something are most common like red color is more attracted than the normal beach color and like that, like there are many color which is more attracted to some kind of audience. So we will show them the product that okay, this product is more selling, this product is more selling, and then we will try to extract the most common color from them so that we will know that which color like catch the eye of the customer. So that's why it helped designer to make website, clothes, logo, and other things. And it's like same as thumbnails of the YouTube ads or other things. It also is like perform a key role when we are training a machine learning model, as it summarizes the image by is like taking out the most dominant colors from the image. So this was some thing that why we should use or why we should find that which color is important in the image. Okay. Second thing, what is histogram? In our basic schooling, we always seen this type of graph. So this graph is also is only histogram. In this, there are multiple blocks like green, red, yellow, blue, orange. Here is like the sale of orange is more than the green, and brown is the least. We all can understand this type of graph. So for the image dominant color, we will modify this graph in days. Okay, so what this graph is telling? Okay, so this graph is like this, but here which bar is like the longest? This one is like brown. So this is much more dominant than this. Sorry, first, then second, then third, then fourth, then fifth. So now our question is how we'll make this type of graph. How will we know that which color is dominant? So here our Kmeans clustering concept came in the picture. So what Kmeans clustering is that? K-means clustering is a unsupervised type of machine learning algorithm where it makes a cluster of similar items. Like here, these are some points which was given in the image. So after that, I say that I want three cluster from that. So it will make three. It will take a center point and then it will make a circle and take inside the similar points inside it. So here it make the three clusters: one of green color, one of blue color, and one of black color. Similarly, we will make the different clusters of how much amount we need. Like here we have 3 clusters. So like then we will calculate that which cluster have how many elements, and the cluster which have more element will be more dominant. So this is how K-means cluster and histogram will help us to find the most dominant cluster. So without wasting much time, let's jump to the code. Let's go. Okay, so here my Jupyter notebook. So I've already written the code to save the time of the video. I will give the code to you as well, so you can try it yourself. Okay, so first of all, we have to load the libraries. It's like CV2 for the computer vision part, matplotlib for plotting part, as Jupyter does not support the IMSO function of CV2. So we have to use matplotlib function. But if you are using normal Python terminal then or Python notebook, then you can use cv2.imso only. Okay, numpy for calculation part, k-means is just this our machine learning model, and os is like then we can iterate the files. Okay, so let's run it. And now the load damage. In load damage, we have used cv2.imread, which I have already told you in the earlier videos, that here we just have to give the part of the image, then it will load the image. And of course the image is always in bgr, so for plotting we will use bgr to rgb, which convert the bgr format image to rgb image. Okay. Wait a minute, there are some error in my laptop. Okay, it's solved. Then plt.imso function will show the image, then plt. So let's run. This is the nice Donald Trump image like this. Okay. Now after that we will pre-process the image data for the k-means. Like we will reshape the image size to 2D from 3D, and how it will happen. Like originally our image was in 3 dimensional surface. Like uh, this is 3300 points and this is 2006 or 700 points. So x into y into 3. 3 stand for r, g and b. So what we want? We want r, g and b, but for the color clusters we have to multiply these two. So that what we did in image.reshape. Okay, so our final received image is like 8415000 into 3. So all the data points in the r, g and b. Okay, now we will set up the k-means cluster model. Here it is, we will give a parameter number of cluster. It's like how many clusters we want to give. Like I want to predict the 5 cluster, so it will fit the image and find the top dominant 5 clusters. It will take some time according to your laptop or PC specs. After that, color and labels. Colors. In colors, we will store the value of cluster center. It will give my R, G and B value or center of the every cluster which is found. And labels. Label will tell that which data point come from which label. After that, we will make 2 functions. You don't have to deep dive into these functions, as this can be made by GPT or any other Gen AI things. Like this is the Gen AI era, and you should use them as much as you can to, like, you don't need to like again make logic again and again. You should make it when you are learning things. But once you have learned, now you should use GPT or Gemini and other things. Okay, so here these are the 2 functions. This what this function do is like it will take all the your labels and then tell which label have which how many percent of the colors. Okay, and second one, it will take the result of this, and centroid is like centroid will give the color of that label, like RG value of that label, so it will give you the color. So if we run these both, then we will make a hist and then bar, then we will plot that bar. Now this is the image, this is the dominant color of the Donald Trump image. Now let's combine all of that together and we will get a Donald Trump image which we have taken in the beginning. After that we will receive a, like you can see the most dominant color in this is blue. After that this, then this and then this. Okay. Now we will iterate it. So we will give a folder path, an image file, then we will make a for loop and then save, paste all the code of us here. So here these are the some result. Dominant color of this image, dominant color of this image, histogram of this image, histogram of this image, and histogram of this image. So you can see how accurately this is working. So I think this is all about today's video, and hope you have liked this concept. So we will meet in the next video very soon as time. Thank you, and if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe. Bye bye.